McKinley Mavericks, loyal and proud. McKinley Mavericks, sing it out loud. We are the best in the West, always tried and true. To be a maverick, be a maverick, this is what we do. Make responsible choices, always do your best. Value others, property and self. Stay safe. Huh. When I say never, you say it. Never, never, never. Yay! Hey, Mavericks. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Fisher.
Whoa!
Mavericks.
Hold up. Today is Tuesday. You know what that means. We're gonna have a special guest. Who's our special guest today? I wonder. All right, say something again. Special guest.
Good morning, Mavericks.
Do you know who it is? All right, let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3. It's Miss Michael.
Good morning.
Good morning. Wait, I'm gonna pull up my chair so I can sit down.
Okay.
How are you, Miss Michael?
I'm good.
It is so good to see you. It's been so long.
I know. Good to see you too.
All right, I'm situated. Hey, you had something you wanted to talk about. What did you want to talk about?
I do. I want to talk about fluency and practicing fluency at home. But first, just to get this out of the way, I have to show you guys who's snoozing on the couch in front of me. So hold on. I'm going to turn my camera around. This little guy here.
Ah.
His name's Zook, and you guys might hear him snoring in the background because that's just what he does. Okay?
Awesome.
All right. Okay, so on to fluency. First, I wanted to talk about, you guys might think, oh, that Miss Michael, she's just talking to her fourth graders, but I'm not. I'm talking to all McKinley Mavericks. And I prepared this so that I could help all of the kids at school. So I wanted to do just a quick little lesson on fluency. And I'm going to turn my camera around so I can show you my fluency page here really quick. So this is what it looks like. And you guys have probably seen this in Wonders. And you don't have to practice fluency with a passage from Wonders. You could practice it with just a book at home. So I highlighted this page. It doesn't matter. You could practice it with anything that you're reading, a newspaper, your Wonders fluency passage, or just a regular book. And the first thing I like to do, I like to identify some words that might be tricky for me. So I underlined just a few words here. Quan, that's a name, kind of silly. Recognize, wagged, and frantically. And so first you want to get clarification from somebody in your house and make sure that you're reading those words correctly before you even start. Also, you'll see at the top I put the goal. So the goal in fourth grade by the end of the year is 133 WPM, and that stands for words per minute. Okay, and then I also marked my paper here where I would meet my goal, 133 words per minute. So when you guys are in class and you have the teacher come pull you out and they want you to read for them for 1 minute, that's practicing fluency, that's Stibble's testing. And a lot of times in the fall when kids come back to school, which it's not fall yet, so we want to make sure that we're still practicing this. It's not summer. We see kids drop, and that's because they're not reading over the summer. So I want to make sure that kids are taking just 6 minutes a day to practice fluency at home. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So I like to identify the words first and get clarification if there's a word I'm not sure about. I'm not looking for speed just yet. I'm looking for accuracy. You want to be really accurate with your words, and that speed will come later. So when I start each time, I like to do those words first that I identified. So I would set my timer for 1 minute, and I would start by saying Quan, recognize, wagged, and frantically, and then start reading. And you'd read for 1 minute, set a timer, and then track your score each day, and hopefully you'll see that score go up throughout the week. So also, Mr. Fisher, I prepared just really quick, a little sheet. I don't know if you guys can see this here, but it says first grade, by the end of the school year, it's 67 words per minute. Second grade is 104 words per minute by the end of second grade. Third grade is 118 words per minute. Fourth is 133 words per minute. And fifth is 43 words per minute. So that's what we're looking for.
Those are big goals. How cool.
They're big goals, but it's totally doable as long as you practice. And it's outside of your 20 to 30 minutes of reading per day. That fluency should be just 6 minutes quick, practicing 4 to 5 times per week so that we don't see those scores drop when you guys come back.
I'm reading every day myself, morning, night, even sometimes during the day. Yep.
Me too. Just to get that practice in.
I love reading on my iPad because when I come to a word that I don't know, it's really easy to look it up. You just got to go boop, boop. You just touch the word and then it tells you what it means. I love that.
That's right.
What are you reading? What are you reading right now for fun?
Well, this morning when I was getting ready for this, I was reading I Survived the Sinking of the Titanic 1912.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, my son Tanner loves the Titanic, so I have lots of stuff on Titanic here.
I'm reading a book about Tolkien, the guy who wrote The Lord of the Rings.
Is it good?
Oh, it's great. It's a book about how he wrote what he wrote. So it's all about what he loved and what he was interested in. So, yeah, very interesting. Hey, Miss Michael, can we say goodbye?
We can say goodbye, but it was good to see you, and I hope that you guys are reading at home.
Amen. Yes. Good to see you. Everybody, wave bye to Miss Michael. Bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, that was cool. There is all kinds of great work being done around our school right now. There are people handing you food once a week. There are people handing you packets of stuff to do once a week. There are people connecting with you both on the phone and on the computer, trying to help you learn, trying to answer your questions, trying to give you what you need. We're all trying. We're all doing our best. Does it always work? No. But is it getting better? I think it is. Little by little, right? You're getting used to doing your job. I'm getting used to doing my job. This is my job, making these videos every day and connecting with you guys a little bit. But you know what? I really can't do my job unless you do your job. If nobody's watching my videos, I'm not really doing my job, am I? Because my job is to teach you. My job is to, right now, more than teach, my job is to just like connect with you, give you some musical stuff to do. Hey, musical stuff. You want to see some musical stuff? Because I was thinking about teachers. You know, teachers often stand in front of the room. What do you call the person who stands in front of an orchestra or a choir? Conductor. I used to be a conductor. I am going to show you a video of me conducting the group I used to lead back in St. Louis, because I want to talk to you a minute about conducting today. So here, this is me right in front, and this is the Gateway Men's Chorus. All right, so listen, this is a show tune. Miss Carola liked this song. She likes show tunes. This is from a show called Next to Normal. Here's the end of it. Can you hear that? Now watch my hands. Watch my hands. How fun do you think that is to stand up in front of a big group and show them what to do? Like, I'm doing this, and what am I getting back at me? A wall of sound. All these people singing while I'm asking them to sing and showing them how fast to sing. Conducting is Super fun, super exciting, and kind of super hard too. Here's another conductor. So that was the Gateway Men's Chorus. Here's, what does this say? The LA Phil. That means the LA, Los Angeles Philharmonic Orchestra. Let's just watch this guy for a sec. Okay, look at him. You see that? He's kind of using his hand to show him how fast to go. Here, look at this. Here's a very simple conducting pattern. I think we'll just do this one today. We'll say, I have a couple more patterns to show you. We can do that another day. Here, look. Let me make that bigger. So, like, get one hand up in the air and you sort of follow with your hand where the arrows go. The arrows go this way, and then the arrow goes this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Or you can use the other hand and go the other direction. This way, this way, this way, or both hands this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cool. Here, let's put on some music. Oh, this is going to be a little faster. So go 1, 2, out, in, 1, 2, 1. Here's some music. You've heard this before. You get the idea? So one more time. So you go out and then in. You can pick one hand to do it. I usually use this hand, I guess. You can use the other hand too. Usually this hand is for expression. So you're telling them to go louder. So you sing this fast. Now do it softly. Now do it louder. Jump, 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 jump. That's conducting. All right, that will stop there today, but I've got more conducting patterns to show you. I like conducting. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Am I going to say your name today? Let's find out. When I was a kid, I watched this show called Romper Room, and at the end, she would always say people's names. That's what I'm doing. You ready? Goodbye, Mavericks. Goodbye, Mavericks. Goodbye, Mavericks, until I see you again. Goodbye, Hugo. Goodbye, Juan. Goodbye, Jose, until I see you again. Goodbye, Emmanuel. Goodbye, Melissa. Goodbye, Denzel, until I see you again. Goodbye, Salvador. Goodbye, Yeshua. Goodbye, Brianda, until I see you again. Go! Goodbye, Mavericks. Goodbye, Mavericks. Goodbye, Mavericks, until I see you again. Goodbye, Mavericks. Goodbye, Mavericks. Goodbye, Mavericks, until I see you again. What was that? I tried to salute. Let's try that again. Until I see you again. Bye. See you tomorrow. Have a great day, Mavericks.